get started. Y'all see this beautiful thing right here? I'm going to try to get it in the camera. It's so pretty and it's purple. Let me see. Okay. Okay, here it is. See this right here? Yeah, buddy. It's one of those stand-up dryers. Look at that. And it was so easy to put together. Yeah. And look at the, look, it opened like an alien, you guys. Like a helmet. Ooh. And on the side up here, it has the purple people eater. Let's get it. Yeah. Isn't that just cute? Look there. It looks like it has buttons on the other side. Let me get up. You guys bear with me. I'm trying to show all the... Okay. And it came in a big old purple box back here. You probably can see it in the background. And it plugs in. And it also goes up and down. But I'm not going to be able to actually show that. I'm not that good yet. So I got this off of Amazon. I'm really excited about it. And it says that it's portable. Get this out the way. Okay. On the box, it says that it is portable. Reduces drying time up to 50%. Tourmaline, direct ion technology, powerful portable. And it's by Hot Tools. So it's professional. It's very purple. It's very meat. Okay. So yeah, that was my baby. That's my bud.